Next time when you cross the toll plaza, don't think about the fee. Think about the fine. Now those toll plaza cameras have scanned your number plate and linked into central database. And if your insurance expired, PUC missing, instant challan, no costs, no debates, just an SMS on your phone. It is already live in Rajasthan, Bihar, Gujarat, and Odisha. Bihar is a single state where fine is corrected around 80 crore. So next time when you cross the toll plaza, check your necessary documents. Every toll plaza is now as a mini police booth.